How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to remove your payment methods and your credit card info or bank account in Google Ads. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite a simple and straightforward process. And all you guys would need to do is basically log into your Google Ads account, and you could follow the on-screen instructions here as provided by Google, but let me walk you guys through it. So in your Google Ads account, once you've logged in, you want to click on the billing icon. So basically the one that looks like a credit card, as you can see here. And this will take you to a new page where you get to configure stuff like your payment gateways, your payment methods, what bank accounts are tied to your Google Ads account and whatnot. And here is where we'll be actually removing our bank account. So from here, there should be a new option that says add new payment method, and this should take you to a new page where you'll be able to do all of that stuff, such as edit your payment methods, remove them, or update them and whatnot. So you'll see the payment methods that are available to your account. These are based on your business address, your account's currency, and how you pay for automatic payments. So from here, assuming that you have a payment method or a gateway you've registered, there should be three dots next to the payment method that would allow you to remove the registered means of paying. So from there, just click on remove payment method and click on save, and you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that's basically all there is to it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. It was pretty straightforward, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.